As massive artificial intelligence clusters scale up at an unprecedented pace, the entire tech sector is rushing toward a physical, terrifying wall. Everyone is hyper-focused on the compute power of next-generation chips, completely ignoring the basic physics of electricity. High-performance AI servers generate an ungodly amount of concentrated heat, and legacy air cooling systems are physically failing under the pressure of intense summer heat loads. If a data center cannot manage its thermal environment, these multi-million-dollar clusters instantly throttle down to protect themselves, or worse, they melt. Thermal management is no longer a footnote in data center design. It is the absolute bottleneck of the global AI infrastructure race. Today, we are breaking down Modine Manufacturing Co, ticker MOD. This is not a consumer HVAC company selling home air conditioners. Modine is the premier engineering powerhouse building mission-critical infrastructure for the world's largest hyperscalers. While the retail market panics over volatile software valuations, smart money is focused on the physical layer, where Modine has quietly established an institutional-grade stronghold right at the choke point of modern computing. To understand the trajectory of this industrial giant, an investor must grasp the sheer scale of the engineering shift currently taking place. For decades, traditional data centers kept their equipment operational by simply blasting cold air through the facility. It was an energy-intensive, highly inefficient method, but it worked for basic internet traffic. AI changes the math entirely. The power density of modern server racks has surged past the physical thresholds, where air can effectively dissipate heat. Hyperscalers are forced to transition to specialized liquid cooling, rear-door heat exchangers, and precision direct-to-chip thermal solutions. This is exactly where Modine's deep-rooted B2B business model shines. They utilize highly advanced engineering expertise and manufacturing efficiency to deliver highly complex, specialized components directly to the industrial, automotive, and data center cooling sectors. They provide the exact physical nervous system that keeps the modern digital economy from overheating, turning a massive macroeconomic problem into an incredible runway for specialized industrial demand. Timing in the commodity and industrial sectors is everything, and Modine has just triggered a massive operational catalyst that changes their long-term visibility completely. The company recently secured a landmark $4 billion long-term capacity agreement to supply their flagship Airedale cooling solutions to a major data center customer. This massive agreement stretches all the way through 2029, locking in an extraordinary pipeline of multi-year visibility right as hyperscalers scramble to secure critical infrastructure components. Because production capacity for high-grade thermal equipment is inherently limited by global supply chains. Securing a $4 billion commitment means Modine isn't just participating in the AI build-out, they have effectively cornered a massive portion of the utility layer. This massive backlog completely insulates the business from short-term market fluctuations, giving management the clear runway to scale up operations while their retail competitors fight over unpredictable, non-binding software contracts. When you review the full fundamental blueprint of this business, it becomes instantly clear why institutional analysts treat this stock as a safe haven. Our quantitative analysis awards Modine a perfect AAA Prime Stability rating backed by a mathematically verified 100% survival chance. Let's look directly at the underlying financial vault. The company generates a massive $3.18 billion in annual revenue, translating into a highly profitable net income of $121.5 million. But the real operational execution shows up in the cash generation. Modine pulls in a powerful positive operating cash flow of $248.7 million. This deep pool of liquid cash flow gives them the exact fuel needed to fund their heavy manufacturing scale-up without relying on toxic debt. Furthermore, their balance sheet is built like a fortress. The company boasts an Altman Z-Score of 6.69, positioning them incredibly deep within the financial safe zone and completely erasing any near-term insolvency concerns. They maintain a highly adequate current ratio of 1.94x, meaning they hold nearly double the short-term liquid assets required to wipe out their immediate liabilities. To top it all off, management has demonstrated exceptional capital discipline. Instead of aggressively burning capital or diluting holders, their annual share dilution rate is a microscopic 0.8%, while their accumulated retained earnings sit at a staggering positive $964.5 million. This massive mountain of retained wealth proves that Modine is a masterclass in compounding real-world industrial profits. In the industrial sector, long-term survival requires a deeply entrenched moat that prevents customers from easily shopping around for a cheaper alternative. Modine establishes this through intense customer integration, scoring a solid 3 out of 5 for corporate switching costs, for a B2B enterprise customer or a massive hyperscale data center. Switching to a different cooling supplier isn't as simple as changing an order on a screen. It requires extensive multi-million-dollar re-engineering, exhaustive physical testing, and rigorous safety qualification costs. Once Modine's thermal systems are integrated into the blueprints of a data center, the client is functionally locked into their ecosystem to avoid catastrophic operational disruption. This specialized design process supports a moderate 3 out of 5 for pricing power, because their components are incredibly complex and highly customized. Modine can pass along reasonable cost increases without losing their customer base. Combined with a 3 out of 5 for intangible assets driven by decades of specialized engineering expertise, brand reputation, and core thermal management patents, the business maintains an incredibly sticky high-barrier pipeline. But a disciplined fundamental analyst must always look at the real-world operational trade-offs of a physical manufacturing business. Unlike asset-light software companies, Modine operates in the real world of heavy industry, which means they are structurally exposed to potential cyclical demand and systemic supply chain disruptions, because they still serve legacy sectors like the automotive and industrial HVAC markets. A broader macroeconomic slowdown can create headwinds for their traditional business segments, even while their data center cooling division goes parabolic. They do not possess a standard network effect scoring a 1 out of 5. Meaning their core manufacturing value does not naturally scale up simply because more users buy the product. Modine must fight for every dollar of margin through pure manufacturing efficiency, raw material sourcing, and operational execution. If global steel, copper, or component supply lines choke, Modine must absorb those pressures, making absolute factory efficiency the primary metric that investors have to monitor. Modine Manufacturing Company is the elite, liquid-cooled backbone of the artificial intelligence infrastructure boom, and while retail investors remain completely distracted by software metrics, deep fundamental analysis reveals a diversified industrial juggernaut pulling in $3.18 billion in revenue, backed by a stellar 6.69 Altman Z-Score and an incredibly disciplined 0.8% dilution rate. By securing a monumental $4 billion long-term capacity agreement through 2029, management has effectively locked in a fortress of revenue visibility, utilizing a powerful 3 out of 5 switching cost mode to insulate their operations right at the physical choke point of the global technology race. Is this specialized thermal powerhouse the ultimate physical value play to capture the AI infrastructure cycle? Or do the cyclical realities of heavy industrial manufacturing present too much friction for your long-term portfolio? Let me know in the comments. For all the tools, financial dashboards, and deep dive analytics utilized in this video, check out the link to www.stock-teller.com in the description below. Remember, this is not financial advice. You're watching Stockteller, where every ticker has a tail.